name is Sabrina. I'm 10 years old. I come from Uzbekistan. I like to eat rice and chocolate. Hello, my name is Tikka. I'm 6 years old. I'm from Russia. I like to play football. Hi, my name is Tiara. I'm 5 years old. I have one brother. I like kiwi and yogurt. I come from Thailand.
Hi, my name is Oscar. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Ukraine. I like to play football, basketball. My favorite game is tag.
Hello, my name is Arina. I'm 6 years old. I'm from Ukraine. I like to go somewhere with my friends. Bye. Hello, my name is Keelan. I'm from America and I'm born in Bangkok and my favorite food is ketchup. I always said that my favorite